In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Godaddy live chat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to solve an issue or simply want to understand more about the products and services offered by Godaddy, contacting their customer service through live chat is a fast and efficient way to get the help you need. Firstly, let's head over to the Godaddy website. You'll want to start by navigating to the main page, which is your gateway to all Godaddy services, from domain names and hosting to their vast array of online marketing tools. Once you are on the main site, take a moment to look around if you're not familiar with its layout. Godaddy organizes all its primary services here, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for at a glance. Now the next step is to locate the products section. This is where you'll find a rundown of all the products you've purchased, offering a clear picture of the services connected to your account. To get there, simply click on the appropriate link, which should either be at the top of the page or within a sidebar depending on the current website layout. This will provide you with an overview of everything you have with Godaddy, from domain names to any special hosting plans. Once you are in the products section, find and click on the question mark icon, often designated as the help and support icon. It's usually positioned at the top corner of the site, easy to access whenever you might need assistance. Clicking this will present you with several help options. From here, you'll want to choose Contact Us. The Contact Us page is the central hub for reaching out to Godaddy's customer care for any inquiries or help you may need. Finally, after navigating to the contact page, you'll see an option labeled Chat Now. This button is your direct line to Godaddy's customer service representatives, ready to assist with any questions or concerns in real time. Simply click it and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information to better facilitate your chat experience. This setup ensures the person at the other end can tailor their assistance specifically to your needs, and there you have it. By completing these steps, you can easily reach out to the Godaddy support team via their live chat feature, ensuring that any technical hiccups or general queries about your services are handled swiftly. This method is particularly useful if you need quick answers or prefer not to wait on hold for a phone call. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you navigate Godaddy's support services.